First off, Aries. Aries, you are deserving. Tell me, we're gonna do three cards for Aries, then go into a little bit more detail till we get our final message for Aries. Aries, you are deserving. Aries, you are deserving. Queen of Wands reverse, King of Cups reverse, and the Hierophant reverse. Aries, right now, what you are deserving is to be, to feel valid in your current situation that you are in right now, to feel wanted, to feel in place. You feel out of place, you feel like a fish out of water. You feel like a fish out of water, and it's time to get back into the pond and swim around and feel it. This is a lot to do with fish and having that freedom to not just be confined into a small bowl, but in a massive pond, even the ocean. We'll go as far as to say you need an ocean space to feel wanted again.